Hi, my name is Ling Huang. I'm a junior at Ross School of Business, and my idea is quick coupons. Imagine yourself standing in front of the household cleaning products aisle at a grocery store. You pick up a Swiffer cleaner and use your iPhone to take a picture of the barcode. Your Quick Coupons application instantly spits out a $1 electronic coupon from Procter & Gamble. But you scroll further down and discover that SC Johnson is also offering a $2 coupon for their competing Pledge brand. Even though you usually stick with the Swiffer brand, you decide that maybe it doesn't hurt to try Pledge for once. So you grab the Pledge duster, scan your iPhone screen at the checkout counter, and hurry back home. Now, this is only just one example of how Quick Coupons can change the way consumers shop. Quick Coupons is not just an ordinary coupon clipping application. It's an interactive search engine. A coupon database meets Google AdWords. When a customer takes a picture of the product, the application will perform a search for the coupons of the product, its competing brand's product, and even complementary products like Swiffer refills. Manufacturers will be able to bid for higher placement of their coupons in the search. In addition, based on the consumer's search history, Quick Coupons will be able to distinguish its brand preference, allowing manufacturers to offer coupons with different values to different consumers. So, for the same Pledge brand duster, a loyal Pledge brand user may only receive a coupon for $1, while a long-term Swiffer user may receive a $2 coupon to encourage trial. This means that manufacturers can target consumers on an individual level, much more precise than the demographic or geographic-based targeting methods available today. Plus, electronic coupons will be able to significantly cut the cost of printing, processing, and clearing paper coupons. Aside from its basic functionalities, Quick Coupons can add a grocery list function, administer loyalty programs. The possibilities are endless. However, I need a group of dedicated engineers to design and implement this application. So, please consider Quick Coupons for the 1,000 Pitches Best iPhone App category, and we can bring this idea to life. Thank you very much.